welcome to our channel. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here. This is FemMNY, and to all subscribers, thank you guys so much for joining me. For today's video, I'll be making tulips. So if you want to learn how to make tulips, this is a perfect video for you. For today's material, we'll be using this balloon. This is actually 160Q balloon. You can either use 160 balloon or 260Q. For this particular video, we'll be using our 160Q balloon. So now it's time to inflate our balloon. So before you do that, you'll stretch, you'll pump this. I put about 5 pumps. Tie, then squeeze. So now I'm gonna bring the camera close, so you'll be able to see it up close. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna have a fist. You pinch here and then twist. Once you do that, you make another one, you squeeze the same height. And now you have 2. So you just have to tap this in here. That, squeeze, make another one, there's that. So all you need to do is put this inside this here. Now there's 4 petals. We need 5 petals, so you need to make another one. So squeeze, twist, put this in between, put this through. Now there's 5 petals. Arrange this in place and then cut the excess. Tie this end right here. Put it around a couple times so it's not gonna go nowhere. Same thing on the other end. Just arrange that in place. There's your tulip flower. So now we'll do the stem. Same thing, you stretch, you pump. You fold about 2 fingers, pinch and twist. Put this inside. Same thing, pinch and twist. There you go, and put this right in here. Just tie it. Alright, all we need to do is cut this off. And there goes your tulip. And I already made a lot of this. And there you go. It made a lot. Ain't that beautiful, guys? So I'll use a 260Q scrap just to hold them in place. just so it'll stay in place. Put it there for now. And then we'll use our bow. We'll tie them all together. Take this off. Alright, so we have our bunny rabbit right here. We have our fishing line, 25-pound fishing line. I got them off. So you want to put it right here. Tie it on this side. And you put this on here. You want this to hug your balloon. So you want to hide it behind the bow. And do on the opposite arm as well. Just feed it through right here. It's not gonna go nowhere. And we'll let it sit down. Just like that, guys. It's perfect for gift. So not just for this season, but any season you can change this to a teddy bear. And then do the same thing on the feet right here. I put it under so it's hidden. There you go. You just have to let them face that way. Perfect for a gift. Alright, I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And we will see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.